a method used by Elon Musk to create his plethora of great and successful businesses, also being utilised by Netflix CEO Reed Hastings to innovate the industry of movie streaming. Let's see what this method is and how you can utilise it to make your product better. This method is the first principle. At its most fundamental state, this method is to question every assumption you think you know about a given scenario or problem, then create new knowledge and solutions from scratch. Now, this definition was found on medium.com, and I'll put a link below to that exact definition. By utilising the first principle, you can break down the problem you're trying to solve into its most rudimentary form, and then work your way through the known constituents. By doing this, you shall uncover the flaws within the present solution, and then you should be able to create a better one. We could utilise this method to innovate the online educational industry. We know there are lots of online educational resources. We know these are in the form of graphic, video and written format. Breaking down this further, we may say that this content is produced by individuals and groups. Now, to not get too much into this example, we'll say this is the most rudimentary form, it being created by individuals or groups. Now, we go up from here thinking about every part of this process and how we could make that specific part more efficient or effective. However, with this example, I don't believe we even have to go any further. I think just the most rudimentary form of people creating the content could be made more efficient. An AI could be created that scans the internet for the highest rated content on a specific educational piece that someone wants to learn. Taking this even a step further, maybe machine learning or a deep learning neural network could be created that allows the AI itself to learn what makes good content based on the highest rated ones, and then even create that content itself. So if you take this idea, I want a 50% cut. Hopefully that example has helped you understand the first principle. If you found any value in this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for listening and learning. This has been Baron Erish from Root of Innovation. Bye.